Women in Islam, mothers, and we have commanded men to be good towards parents. His mother bore him with hardship and delivered him with hardship. Wives, treat women well and be kind to them. They are your partners and committed helpers. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Daughters, whoever has daughters and treats him kindly, they will be protection for him against the fire. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Marriage, and among his signing this, that he created mates for you from your slaves, that you may find rest and peace of mind in them. And he undried between you love and mercy. Certainly, herein indeed are signs for people who reflect. She was a woman. The first person to embrace Islam was a woman, Khadija Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. The first person to die for Islam is a woman, Sumayya Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. The great scholar of Islam was a woman, Aisha Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. The person who loved the Prophet the most was a woman, Fatima Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. The person who made the biggest sacrifice for Islam in a day was a woman, Khansa Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha, one of the greatest fighters in Islamic history was a woman, Khala binte Alzar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. When a Muslim girl is born, she becomes a reason for her father to enter paradise. When she grows up and marries a man, she completes half of his religion. When she becomes a mother, paradise will be under her feet. This is the status of our women in Islam. The man should have a sweet tongue with his wife. He carefully selects words that soften her heart and words that are beloved to her heart. Even thought he may not be exactly like that. Rather, he does it to please her. There are certain times where you can exaggerate, and one is to please your wife and better your relationship. The Messenger ﷺ allowed this. Tell her what she wants to hear. Tell her that she looks beautiful. If she requests something from you and you know that do not have the ability to provide her with it clothing, jewelry, etc., instead of outrightly refusing and breaking her heart, tell her you will try your best to get it. These things are allowed. Use some nice words. Be nice to her. If you cannot do anything else, nice words do not harm.